Hey there, welcome back to the channel. So if you own a Samsung Watch 4 Classic and if you experience the touch issue with it, well, we can feel it, that can be pretty annoying. But hey, don't worry, okay, because in today's video, I'll go ahead and show you how you can solve the problem. Now, your touch issue can be different. Some people say their touch is not working and it's not responsive at all. Some say their touch is working randomly. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it says maybe it has the ghost touch issue. Well, even if you have, then keep on watching this video to solve your problem. The first basic things that anybody can try is you can give it a forced restart. Now to do it, all you want to do is just go ahead and press that volume up button and down button simultaneously unless you see your Samsung Watch 4 Classics just got restarted. Well, if you see, that doesn't really help you to solve your problem, the next things we're going to talk about the charger. Pretty often, when you just charge your device and try to use your device at the same time, this issue also can appear. So all you can do is just remove your watch out of the charger to see whether the problem is solved or not. Well, the next things we're going to talk about is so-called the water lock. If you have this problem with your watch and you see there's a little water icon right there, that can mean you have actually water lock on your watch. If you turn on the water lock, then you're not going to be able to use your watch and your touch is not going to work. So all you want to do, just go ahead and press and hold this up button for about 2 or 3 seconds, unless it just give you, or unless it's vibrate, and then let go of the button, and then your watch will be ready to be used again. Now, if you see even after that, if you still have the problem, now let's talk about for those who wear gloves on their hands, but they say, the touch doesn't work. If you're that type of person, then all you want to do, if you want to use your hand without using gloves, then all you want to do, just open up your settings and scroll down to your display here, then scroll down a little, and you want to toggle on this feature called touch sensitivity. Just go ahead and enable this on. You can put this gloves back on your hand, and then you'll be able to see your touch will start working on your device. Now, even afterward, if you still have the same problem here, the last thing that you guys want to do, you want to give it a factory reset from the boot menu, which doesn't require to touch your screen. Now, before I show you even further process, keep in mind, if you're going to follow this process, this is going to erase everything you have on your Samsung Watch 4 Classic. So if you agree, then all you want to do here, just go ahead and press and hold the boot button, and unless it shows you rebooting, then just go ahead and press and hold the down button and keep pressing that up button, the power button. Now once you come over here, now all you want to do, just choose your button, just go ahead and choose the factory, and then just go ahead and press and hold that power button. Then you'll be able to see your device is going to take a restart, and this is going to erase everything, and this is going to tell you to reconnect it with your device again. Now after that, just go ahead and check whether your touch issue is gone or not. Now even afterward, if you see still got the same problem here, then that could mean you got a problem with the hardware with your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. In that case, all you want to do, you want to take your Galaxy Watch to the Samsung here, and hopefully they'll solve the problem for yourself. So this is how you guys can solve your problem on your watch. Hope you found this video useful. If you think so, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later.